morning mga ka-rider. So tayo ngayon ay babiyahin na naman. Tagal-tagal tayong walang upload dito pero ngayong araw ay babiyahe tayo ng medyo mahaba-haba. Pakilala muna natin yung mga kasama natin. Ayan o. Ayan si Ma'am Kyle. Hello, syempre si Murmur. Murmur,
Say hi.
are you okay? We're going to Port Barton.
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Okay, ayan si Mama. Kanina, nakapagpagas na kami. Ang gas namin ay napaful tank ko siya kanina ng nasa 670 pesos. Ang rate ng gas natin ay 100 per liter. Ayan. So, tignan natin kung kakayanin na ba yung isang full tank ng one shot ng Port Barton. So, puntahan natin ngayon.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on. On and on. I'm moving on and on. On and on. I'm driving.
So, ang oras natin ngayon guys ay 9:41 ng umaga. Touchdown na tayo dito sa Port Barton, San Vicente, Palawan. Yay! Ayan o. Yan na si Murmur. At na tumatakbo-takbo na. Yan na ang cooking. Touchdown na. Nakarating na rin dito ang Bajaj natin. First time ni Baggy makarating dito.
Ito yung unang first long ride.
Unang first long ride niya yan. Yan o.
Sunod, balabak na ito.
Palabak, pwede. So, tingnan natin yung gas check tayo. Ilan ang naubos natin. Buksan natin. Yan o. So, kanina full tank to. Ngayon, meron tayong... naghihingalo na ngayon. Full tank talaga. Ubos ang full tank ko.
Ilan na lang?
Ayan na, blinking.
Ay, ganun?
Hindi, may dalawang bar pa yan kanina eh.
So
Pababa dito may dalawang bar pa.
ano na yan, mga 1 bar na lang yung blinking.
Wala na yan. Empty na. Pagas na. So ayun guys, tayo ay naka-ready na mga gamit natin. Pagdating natin dito sa Port Barton, na-travel na naman tayo. Ngayon na naman by boat. Andiyan na yung gamit natin sa boat. Mer, are you ready?
Sakay na tayo ng boat.
Papalik naman yan. Sakay tayo sa bangka dahil sa isla tayo matutulog ngayon. Ito si Ma'am Kyle ay ready na rin. Ready ka na, Ma'am?
Yes! Woo!
Walk tayo dito in the water.
Wala madulas?
Yeah, Papa is here. Don't worry. You know. Let's hop in! Stand ko dito, baby. Stand ko, baby.
No, Papa.
Yeah, Papa will be here with you. Back, you wanna go back there? We're gonna ride here in the boat. What are you feeling right now? Are you scared? Are you scared? Scared guys si Murmur guys kasi maliit yung boat na sasakyan namin. Scared ikaw? Don't worry, Papa is here. Andito si Papa. Ayan si Mama oh. Don't worry. Hi! Nag-aayos na guys ng mga tao kasi maliit yung bangka natin. Si Ma'am Jing ililipat. Ipopromote ka, Ma'am. I-promote yan si Ma'am Jing sa likod. Ito kami dito na oh. Ito kami kasi hindi ko maiwan to si Murmur eh, tsaka si Mama eh. Papunta tayo sa isla. Doon tayo matutulog. Okay ka lang? Ha? Doon tayo maliligo tayo sa ano doon sa water sa beach. Okay? Okay? Tayo sakay tayo ng bangka ngayon kahit small boat natin. Huwag ikaw matakot kasi si Papa ha?
Okay na daw.
Here ikaw ni Papa. Okay? Tapos nandiyan pa si Mama. Let's go to the island. Can you say that? Let's go to the island.
Sweet is my location, sweet as well my destination. If you're looking to begin, then look no further than within. I'm satisfied with what I've got and still eager for more. The change that you've been looking for will come knock on your door. On and on. On and on. On and on. On and on. I'm moving on and on. On and on.
Morning na dito guys sa Paradise Island. At swimming na kami. So ito na si Murmur tsaka si Mama. Hello, good morning.
Hi, vlog. Sabi niya. Say hi, guys. Dito yung mga isda mong biyat. Kaganda.
May mga isda na naman. Oh, sige, tignan nyo.
Wait lang. Dali mo dyan. Dali mo dyan.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
Why you say hi, Ma? What are you doing? Ay, what's that? What's
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Okay, so Murmur and Mama has a boya here. And
This
then,
morning has
we will
a
try
clear
to know
light
what
as
it is,
any
pink or blue. What do you think, Murmur?
to see
Pink
the
or blue?
horizon and the far.
Pink and blue? Pink or blue?
Excuses were
Mama will
two
try it. Are you
for a
ready?
penny,
3, 2, 1, go!
but they've all gone out the window.
Wow,
Days
Murmur!
gone. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
Oh, what do you want? Small, medium, large? Ano, medium? Large? I need also large. Large? It's so big. Oh, you try to... No. Do you wanna kiss it? Kiss it.
there's no
No. Anak.
time to borrow.
Sa likod mo.
Today,
Ay, parang nalaman.
well, something's gotta give. Today
Awan.
is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today
Tulog namin.
is a good
Uwi na tayo, Mer. Uy, grabe tulog. Uy. Mer?
is a good
Can you say Papay Island?
It's a good day to live.
So, guys, ako muna yung magbablog kasi nagde-drive po si Mayor, si Jasper. Yun na yung ahon na yun.
Saan tayo magpunta, Ross?
Straight lang po.
Ano pupunta natin, Ross?
White Beach.
White Beach. Puti ba talaga yung beach doon?
Pag, ano po, summer, may
Summer.
nakaputi.
Mabuti. Ahon.
Tingnan natin, guys. Ako na naman tayo, guys.
Inaahon namin to pag nag-bike.
Let's go here. So, stop over muna kami dito sa overlooking spot dito, mga ka-rider. Ayan, oh. Dito yung baryo ng Port Barton. Diyan banda. Yan si Mermero. Oh. What can you say here? It's good? Okay. Grabe ito, may nakita kaming daan dito. Oh. Ito.
Daan ba yan?
Jacob no.
Tulog ka na nak. There's a blue yellow.
Grabe.
Di lang po yung kanina.
Matindi, matindi. Oo nga, grabe tarik. Magklase. Kaya na tuktok yan? The best way to know.
Ay, get there.
Pero kailangan driver ka lang.
Oo nga eh. Tarak masyado yan.
Parang delikado.
So, rough road na ito guys, papunta sa White Beach. Tarik pala ito masyado.
Dito hatang sa isang tuktok.
Diyan ko na maros. Oh. Driver ah.
Yan guys, yun yung daanan guys.
Pauwi, aahunin natin to? Aahunin natin to? Aahunin natin yan. Diyos, kiran.
Napakahirap ng daanan dito guys. Pero ayun si Mermer, baliwala lang.
Chill.
Chill lang si Mermer. Mamaya makikita. Amen.
Kayak na lang ako eh. Hindi pa lang daan dito. Hindi basta-basta.
Gusto ko yan.
Ayun eh, may daanan na. Yung isang daanan ko.
Ay, Diyos ko ka. Pababa pa.
Oh, meron pa pababa?
Bababa tayo. Ikot. Dapat pala mag-ayos na ito kung talida.
Dito na lang kami, over.
Yan, may tuktok. May tuktok guys.
Yung ano. Pa sila.
Pero
Akala mo niyang ganyan? Grabe no?
sanay na yung mga tuktok dito eh.
Sanay na yan?
Karamihan ng nagano kasi dito walang tricycle dito eh. Tuktok lahat.
After the bumpy ride, nandito na tayo sa White Beach. Yan o, White Beach.
Hello guys, welcome.
Yan yung tour guide namin. Pasukin na natin yan. Ito kaya lang, pagdating namin dito, sakto si Mermer natulog. Mama, dito na tayo.
Dito na tayo sa White Beach.
White Beach.
Alam ko na kung bakit tinawag na White Beach.
Bakit?
Kasi puro puti yung naliligo.
Wala yun?
Ganon niya.
Okay. Sige.
Yan na sa tabi-tabi.
Sige.
Puro puti. Basta puro puti.
Ano?
Ha? Paano daw kasi kung may mga racist tayo niya. Pag may ibang, kalima kayo manggi, Pinoy ganun. Pero basang mas marami kasi, puro puti.
Yeah.
Kaya
Aray ka.
I'm ready!
Okay.
Na na na! Araw! Hi!
Kas bro.
Saan po yung restaurant daw?
Ay, sa.
Ayun sa taas.
Aba.
Sige. Yeah!
You wash here, wash. Wash in the water. Where are you?
Absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end.
Mermer muna, Mermer, go. Shoot.
Wait
Wow! Kueros naman, kueros. Tabi ka, Mer, tabi.
All this time needed your umbrella, and everything changed. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before you let the night descend. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. Please
Meron kasi yan sa taas, sir. Tinignan ko nga sa'yo. May isang community dyan sa taas.
Babuyan. Parang kay Babuyan.
Parang kay Babuyan. Ito yung septic nila.
Ay, gano'n? Pero ang bilis ang sandik nila.
please learn to be fast.
Wala ko pwede inumin.
Guys, tayo naman eh.
Go Baggy! Go Baggy! Ano ba naman yan ako? Wala pa yung
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end.
Baliwala. Baliwala.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while.
Baliwala sa ako na ama, no? Sagot, malubak.
Hi guys! We are leaving now. Thank you to Tito Jack. Thank you to Rawado Residence. Kay Sir Jack, kay Maria, tsaka kay Iris, the tour guide. Yan o. Cellphone. Kay Iris yun. Okay. Sige, okay na guys. So pauwi na tayo. Si Mermer natulog na. Bagsak ah.
Sa gilid. Alam mo yung...
Sleep. To, thank you kay Iros, tsaka kay Sir Jack. Sir Jack, salamat ah. Ayan, kung gusto niyo ng mga tour sa Port Barton, Sir Jack lang. Yan.
Pili
Dito,
lang si Captain Jack.
Captain Jack Sparrow. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang ang video natin.
Bye-bye, Akin.
Bye-bye!